flood watch in effect from Friday morning through late Friday night. The National Weather Service in Springfield has issued a flood watch for portions of southeast Kansas and Missouri, including the following areas in southeast Kansas: Bourbon, Cherokee, and Crawford. In Missouri, Barry, Barton, Benton, Camden, Cedar, Christian, Dade, Dallas, Dead, Douglas, Greene, Hickory, Howell, Jasper, Laclede, Lawrence, Marys, McDonald, Miller, Morgan, Newton, Oregon, Ozark, Phelps, Polk, Pulaski, Cheyenne, St. Clair, Stone, Taney, Texas, Vernon, Webster, and Wright. From Friday morning through late Friday night, widespread rainfall is expected to range from roughly 1 inch to 1.75 inches. Soil conditions along with the lack of vegetation in the wintertime will also contribute to flooding of small streams, creeks, and rivers. Flooding of low water crossings and low-lying roadways near streams, creeks, and rivers is expected to occur. A flood watch means there is a potential for flooding based on current forecasts. You should monitor later forecasts and be alert for possible flood warnings. Those living in areas prone to flooding should be prepared to take action should flooding develop. Repeating, a flood watch has been issued from 6 a.m. Central Standard Time Friday until 6 a.m. Central Standard Time Saturday for the following counties: